how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. Now this is a step-by-step guide on how to actually do this. So if this video was helpful, then please let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So there's actually two ways in order to do this. The very first and easiest way to do this is simply if you click on your Bitmoji, then open up the settings and then scroll a bit down till you see, I believe, in the privacy control section, blocked users right over there. And this is a list of every single user or person you have blocked on Snapchat. So that is basically it. That's the easiest way. Now, the second way to do this is if you go to your chats, and I don't have really any chats because this is just an account for these type of tutorials, then sometimes that person will still be, you will still have a chat somewhere with that person. And you can tell if you've blocked them when that red received button, for example, is grayed out, or like white or gray. I'm not sure. And then if you click on their account and then on the top right corner on the three dots, you should probably also be able to manage friendship or something like that and unblock that person. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and I will see you next time.